Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making soy sauce fried rice with bacon. So let's review the ingredients. I have a day-old cooked rice, some eggs, green onion, yellow onion, garlic, bacon, and I'm using uncured apple smoked bacon. And you can use any bacon that you like. I have a Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, low-sodium soy sauce, dark soy, and white pepper. For the prep, let's start with cutting the onion. We'll do a mince on this. Let's mince the garlic. Okay, that looks good. Just add it together. Next, let's mince the green onions. Now let's crack the eggs. And give this a good whisk. Okay, that looks good. So next let's cut the bacon. I'm going to cut it into like 1-inch sections. Now all the prep is done. I'll wash up and we can start cooking. Okay, I have the pan set at a medium-high heat. First thing we're going to do is cook the eggs. Add a little bit of oil. Add the eggs. And we'll cook this to a soft scramble. That looks good. I'll remove it from the pan. Okay, give the pan a quick rinse. We'll dry it out. And I'm setting the pan to a medium. And we're going to just slow render the bacon. Okay, so I like eating bacon with a little bit chew, and this looks really good to me. Cook the bacon to your desired liking. If you like it super crisp, just cook it maybe a couple minutes longer. But I'm going to remove the bacon from the pan. And we're going to use render fat to cook the garlic and ginger. Pan is still set at medium heat. And we'll cook this until the onions soften up. This will only take about 30 seconds. And next we can add the rice. This a good toss. Okay, so now I'm turning the heat up to a medium-high. spread out the rice and let it warm up. And just let this sit for about 30 seconds. And we'll toss it again. Okay. And break up any big clumps of rice. Okay, we'll add the white pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of dark soy to just give it a bit of color, and the Shaoxing wine. For a good mix. You can add eggs. You can cut up the eggs a bit before putting it in into little bits. Return the bacon. Give this a good toss. And you can see the rice is kind of browning up a bit. So that looks really good. Add all the green onions. And just toss this for about 30 seconds. Give it a quick taste and you can adjust the seasonings. That's good. It's very light. You get enough sodium from the bacon. Okay, this is done. Turn off the heat and let's serve this. And here we have a wonderful plate of soy sauce fried rice with bacon. When I was growing up, we ate bowls of hot steaming rice with rendered chicken or pork fat drizzled with soy sauce, and it was absolutely delicious. And this is a variation of that comfort food. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves bacon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.